So you've had a great time and you're packing up, ready to go. So we want to take a look at the teardown process and see what this is used for. Before we get over to disconnecting all of our utilities, if you have an awning, you want to make sure you retract that, obviously. Is there any cats up there? Once you get everything disconnected, obviously we've got to store it. We typically keep all of our equipment and utility lines in the back of the truck. You may have a spot inside your camper, an access door or whatnot. And if your neighbors really annoyed you because these might stink a little bit, you can just chunk this over in their yard. But in case you don't want to do that, many RVs have storage in the bumper or other locations along the side in a storage compartment. So up next, we want to check a couple of things, our tire pressure, and check underneath the RV to make sure there's nothing underneath that we might hit on the way out. Oh, get out of here, cat. Now that you have all your utilities disconnected, you want to check your tire pressure. Temperature can affect your tire pressure, so check your manual to see what the recommended pressure, the PSI, is set for, and inflate or deflate as necessary. Also, once you're hooked up to your truck, you want to make sure that you have removed wheel chocks, so you're not that person that runs over the wheel chocks. That's always fun to watch. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share it with some friends who might be new in the RV space, subscribe. We'll see you next time.